Dang. Alright, I gotta check on that. Hold on, I gotta show y'all one of these that's gonna... Oh, there it is. Yeah, I coded this all up myself. Geo the Fractal Shooter. There go your ball, Geo. Even got save slots. Oh, this is the one that got messed up. Dang, why is it doing this? No. Something must happen with the server. But y'all see, it's a game. We got like all these weapons in there. This is what happens with tech demos. I recorded a real baby for that death right there. And you gotta collect the 3 crystals. Then when you collect the 3 crystals, it summons the boss battle. You could collect different ways to shoot ammo and everything. But for some reason right now, it's not working. I'll come back and check it out. But that game was real fun to make. But that's how tech demos go. Here go the other Geo one that I created. This one should work a lot better. Yeah. Whee! Like I said, I'm coming out with a game system. AI can be used for such great tools. Gonna get the 3D printer going on. So if you're a game developer out there, you somehow stumbled upon this channel and watching it, hit me up. Or if you know somebody. Like I said, Anthropic put out that thing saying a lot of jobs are going to be taken away from people because of AI and software development in different ways. And they was talking about being lifeguards and manual labor jobs. So I'm like, just use the tech to create shit that used to take millions of dollars to do. And go out with your imagination and be you. High scores and all. That's Geo Runner. I got Geo Racer that I created. Let's do the single player. I'm working on multiplayer. I didn't do this in a while. So the ins and out on what alright, single player. I think it's loading up. Yeah, it's loading. I gotta create a loading screen for that. Stick with me, stick with me. I just want to show y'all all the Geo games I created. I never really showed off all of them. Like this one right here. You ever play Line Rider? You draw the line, and they get to go on it and travel. I have it made so you can pause right there, draw another line. And then, hey, look, look, look. You can even make little ramps. Oh, he probably just gonna fall backwards. Yeah. But these are the things I coded and learned alongside using AI. Different models, so I'm not going to shout out a company unless they paying me or whatnot. But I used many different models to do things, and I created all the art myself. So putting bang with a boom, I got a slang. So yeah, I even made a portal that wasn't there in the original Line Rider. Got a little creative. Oh, wait. He went right past it. Reset. Portal, right there and right there. Wait. There we go. It works. I just had to show it work. I'm like, I can't show 3 demos and none of them is working. But this was an absolute joy to make. And I even have it so you can make musical notes along the way. So you can make your song, you can change it if you want it to be a D or a C4 or an E and stuff like that. Let's drop an E right there. And then we're going to drop, it's going to go back to D. And then like, so you can even adjust the notes. So it's like a little music maker. Make it like short. Bang. See how this sounds. The joy in creating something. Love. Alright, let's do this. I'm trying to get it so it do those quick things. But check it out, Timation Studios. Ooh. This flip was a little too hard. So let's make something to match up. There we go. And just so that we can go off with a bang, let's do this. Cause y'all heard that. It was just one more note, the bigger do do boo, and then we done. So let's just match that. Bang! Now if you wanted that note to be a little more drag out, all you had to do is drag it out. And now, this is the final masterpiece. Bang! So check it out, Geo Rods again. One of my fun creations that I'm glad I got into this over the summertime creating this game. It's still in development, so if you want to check out the demos that I created, that's going to be on the Timation game handheld game system. Go check it out now. Oh, there we go. Let me show y'all the 3D, my own game where I made, where it is made from, it's my own Mario Kart in a way, without being Mario Kart. There we go, yeah! Wait for the timer. See? Made my own Mario. You got the timers, you got shields that pop up, go around, got the boxes, got AI enemies that run around the screen. Where are they? Oh, there they go. They got kind of stuck. But I created all these original characters. Larry, they appear in other games as well. I don't know what's going on with him. But we're going to keep going with me and Chris. That's Larry, the balls from the other guy. Our arch mortal enemy of Geo. Rockets you can shoot. I'm still working on the ramp mechanics. And that stuff, like, seemed like a boost, but you're not supposed to run through those. But yeah, this is still in early development. But this was also fun to make. I was working with 3D models and stuff again, which I'm getting back into, again being in school. One more lap. Man, they just glitching like crazy. We definitely have to figure out that. Alright, we won. Yeehaw! Get that boost. Woohoo! It's funny because I'm making a racing game now for my class, but I have to use Flow Labs. I'm like, man, I already made a racing game. But hey, we're gonna get these credits and these degrees so people can take Timation Studio seriously. But y'all see, we already tremendously putting in a lot of work, and what I mean by we is me. So if you want to be a part of the team, let me know, because I am willing to expand and help so I can come out with this gaming system. So if you make games or if you got some ideas for games, hit me up. As for now, we're going to get off of this. This is called Geo Racer. Check it out. It's on justtoddnowai.com. I forgot about these games. Like this game I made, you want it or not. This is like a deal or no deal type situation. You choose your orb, and then it's curses and spells, it's curses and blessings or whatever the opposite is that you can get. Destroy a dream to protect your own. It's the cosmic way. So you choose one. Oh, this orb contains an inflatable dragon the size of a car. Alright, good. I like that. But, oh, that means we don't have that. I forgot my own rules. Ain't 15, the ability to talk to houseplants. Dang, I would have liked that. And I coded this all up myself, too. I'm gonna keep mentioning that. This orb contains $75,000. Cosmic Tree trying to narrow down the field. Choose an orb to eliminate. Dang, timeshare on the moon. We could have used that. I could have used a timeshare on the moon with all this shit going on nowadays. 15. The very script for the game you're playing. That would have been useful. One less grand prize to worry about, or more reasons to doubt your own choice. Oh, wait, my face is in the way of the character, so y'all can see more of what's going on. Alright, then they offer you, the host offers you $109,000. I want it. No, I don't want it. We're gonna keep going. What should I choose next? Let me know. Put in the comments, or I'm just gonna go with the 12. Alright, 400,000 golden rat statue. One less grand prize to worry about, or one more reason to doubt your own choice. Shit, you going in. I programmed him that way. Your phone charger always falls out. This was a curse, so we lucky we didn't get this curse. All the lower money ones are like curses. All the higher money ones, some of them got a curse in there, and some of them's things that you probably would like. I wish I would have kept that. You now sweat glitter, it gets everywhere. Alright, I'm glad we didn't have that. Remember, we chose a case out of all of these, and we hoping we have one with a lot of money, and it's not a curse at the same time. All dolls are now suspicious of you. Dang, I can't steal them now. Perpetually followed by a single lazy fly. Minor setback, wouldn't you say? Or is it? Alright, let's take the money. $94,000. Your orb contained. Oh, dang, I love. Man, we missed out. Everyone thinks your name is Chad now. Wise choice? Who knows? Only you can prevent forest fires. And with that, your fate is truly sealed. Farewell. Yeah, so check out my game titled You Want It or Not? Yep, and if you want to play the classic Tetris, got that on there. We're not going to play too much of it now, but hey, have some fun. Simon Says. And what's the distracted button game again? Yeah, I didn't think I loaded this one up yet.